If you are facing this issue with your Adobe apps like Photoshop, Illustrator, Premiere Pro, etc., then here's the solution. Watch complete video till end. So let's get started. Click Start button. Search for Windows Defender Firewall. Then you have to find option with Advanced Settings. Click on it. You will see option Inbound Rules and Outbound Rules. On right side, you will see the option New Rule under Action button. Click on New Rules. Now click on Program, and then Next. Here's you have to browse program for which software you are going to set this rule. For example, I'm facing issue with Photoshop. So I'll search Photoshop in my C drive or where you installed your software. Select this and click Next. Now click on Block Connection, then click Next. Keep checking on these three options. Now named it. As in my case, I'll name Photoshop and click OK. Repeat the same process with outbound rules. Then close this window and restart your software. You did it. Thanks for watching.